Good morning. Welcome to the RAThbun's YouTube channel. Today we're working on Spanky's motorcycle. We are almost done with it. Will we get done in this video? I don't know, you'll have to watch it to find out.
Yep, we're at the Spanky Honda and Harley repair shop. And we're putting the wheel on for the third time. But we got a good sprocket in it now. Somebody sold him a piece of crap sprocket. So we're going to go ahead and stick that in there now. Then hopefully we go for a ride here in a minute. I'm just here for moral support. See, I pat him on the back. And he's going to need my help right now. So I'm going to do that. Here we go.
So I need something hanging up on the...
Could be crooked.
Yeah, I need...
Kick that board over a little more. Straighten the wheel up.
That's better right there.
Yeah, let it down gently. Gently. Oh, I think you got your wheel off there again.
God damn it.
Shouldn't have to do that, what you're doing. There you go. Put that big spacer back in there. I guess when we let her down, it'll come back. I don't know why it's...
Now my question is, which way does this...
It don't matter.
You know, in the book, the head is on the other side.
On this one? Yeah, you could do that.
It don't look like it would go.
Yeah, I'd do the same thing, but you just got to drop the muffler off down on this one. Either way, you just got to lower a muffler so you can slide it through.
Okay, this not.
Yeah, it's kind of a bear cat, but you can do her. Kind of twist it in there. There you go. Now put it in there cockeyed, then twist it maybe. There you go. Yeah. That's exactly what I meant. Okay, now we got to figure out, get that through the axle there. So do you need the axle back, or?
I need the tire pulled back.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that? Why is that tight like that?
I don't know. What's tight? Like
this
what?
needs to go forward.
Why?
And it ain't going forward.
Why would you want to make that go forward if you need the wheel to come back?
Because...
Did you put this through there?
Yeah, it's through there.
Well, then that you don't want to mess with your adjustment.
I'm not messing with the nut.
Okay.
But see the gap?
Yeah, well, we haven't got it put in yet. It'll cure up when you drive if you got that in the hole, go ahead and drive it through a little bit.
It needs, this whole axle needs to come forward a bit.
Or the tire needs to go back?
See that gap? That's
Yeah.
how far this needs to go forward. The bolt.
Well, also the tire needs to go forward for you to get it in the hole. Once you start getting things lined up, they stay lined up pretty good. Now you got to unhook this here to get that shoved through there. One of Harley-Davidson's better ideas, no. But now he's got to pull it through here, and he's got to put a spacer in here. This little spacer goes in there. He thinks that one was rough. This one will probably be harder, but we'll see. He's looking for a mallet. I'm pretty proud of him. He did everything except for drive the bolt through there, but he could have got up and done that. But we're taking it easy on his poor old back. You know, he's about 5 years older than me. Poor old boy. But we got the axle through there. He's putting the nut on. Are you going to Loctite that or not? I don't know if you're getting it or not.
It's got a cotter pin.
Oh, it's got a cotter pin? Then you don't need to. No. So we got that all ready. We get that tightened up, we're going to drop her down and take her up the hill. See how she runs. Might want to put a seat on it. That's hard on your hemorrhoids. Alrighty, I think he's got it. You know what you're supposed to torque that at? You got my book here, don't you?
Yeah.
I needed that the other day. Huh?
I bought it for $50.
You didn't buy that one for 50 bucks.
I did.
Hey, you pay a lot more than 50 bucks for that. You seen how much them work manuals are?
Yes.
Jeez. Hey, now here's something on his bike that I don't have and I wish I did. He's got two of these, right? Well, one of them goes to the front. He's actually got air ride in the front and in the back. They quit doing that. I don't know why, because it seemed like a good idea to me. Well, we're going to tighten this up, drop it down, fire it up, and take it for a run. Hopefully we get a picture of all that. Hang on. What we're doing is we're getting ready. We're going to put it in gear and make sure everything works right this time. This thing's been sitting here for 3 months, and he hadn't got around to cleaning the wheel. Ball of fire, ball of fire. I cleaned the front one, but I ain't going to crawl under there on the back one. So we're going to throw it in gear and make sure it wobbles. For some reason his lights don't work here. He doesn't know if he's going to keep them or not. You got to warm up. There, she's about warmed up. Go ahead and put her in gear. Don't forget your clutch. Woo, she's running through. Ain't that nice? We still don't know how you bend one of those. But there we go. All right, let's see what he wants to do next. Starting to look like a motorcycle again. If you want this to look like a Road King, though, you probably ought to see if you could find you a Road King seat for it. That'd look really nice. I picked one up for my bike off the old marketplace. Yeah. Just about ready to roll down the road. First time under its own power in years. Sounds pretty good. I think he's coming to my house. I'm gonna head on home. Yeah, I'll shut his garage up for him. Then I'll head home. Sounds like she's warmed up. Let me grab you a tool. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. Put some miles on that baby. Yeah, that seat right there needs to be replaced with one like that. That'd look a lot better if he's just going to run solo like that. He took the back floorboards off, so I guess he don't want his wife riding. He's a little short boy, isn't he? What? Oh, the bell! Zoom in! Where'd you get that?
Oh, some permit gave it to me.
Really? runs. He's going to take it on a little longer ride now and try to get some miles on it. I think that's all she needs. Well, I'm glad to see he finally got it running. I don't know how much he's got in this motorcycle, but I'm pretty sure it's not that much money. And it seems to be a good running bike. He and I will probably be doing some riding real soon, and you will be seeing the videos as soon as possible. Congratulations to my good friend, Spanky. Hey, thanks for checking out my channel, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video right here. You know, if you guys subscribe to my channel, it does help me out a lot. So please do subscribe to it and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way. That way I can know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right. Leave me a comment. Thank you.